Dear Harley Workshop is a designer cake studio where you can just come in, enjoy baking and cake decorating with us. We brought together some of the most iconic styles of 50s American home kitchen and mixed in our favorite pastel colors throughout the studio to create an artsy and fun environment where we can share our knowledge of baking with you. It's way more than just coming into a cake studio. As soon as you come in, it's a wow. It's something they've never seen before. In our workshops, we encourage our students to try, to feel and experience. That's what we're all about. We focus on the learning process, the skills and the techniques we're teaching, even more than the end products of the class. We don't really treat our students as customers, but friends. It's so important to enjoy and be inspired when you bake and create something new. All I want is my students having a good time. We work very hard to make sure our cakes look fantastic and taste amazing. That's why we have kept our scale of production rather low. We try our best to provide the top quality of cakes in town in terms of design and taste.